All right, the next thing we'll need to do, if OpenBox and i3 are done, we already have some kind of ArcoLinux ISO, and in the sense that XFC is missing, right? But let's go for the approach to be alphabetically. So we do have our images still open here. So that's also alphabetical, so can't go wrong, we can't forget anyone. Because we want to have this one and awesome. Okay, let's compare these two. This shouldn't be any different, right? Extended, awesome, fine, and awesome extended, great. So we do need to make some stuff there, but should be okay. Now we're gonna scroll a bit faster. It's going to be always the same now. So we create this and we create that. So 2 packages to create. And then we had some differences here. So if this is desktop specific for i3, then we need our Lego block for awesome. And we need 2 of them. Vicious as well. Great choice of names, these guys. Whoops. So i3 caps is already installed. There's no problem if you put it twice in there, or it's just going to reinstall and reinstall, or no. I mean, that's okay. But let's be 100% correct. Let's go for 100% and hope we get there. I think that's it. I think that's it. Okay, so 1, 2 Lego blocks added. Ctrl S, make sure you save it and check it. Always check yourself all the way down. Awesome and vicious. Moving it online. This is adding awesome packages. Let's call it packages rather than Lego blocks. All right, stopping the video here.